Fall gardens are so much fun because there's a ton of plants you can put into the garden this time of year. Some good things are carrots, beets, broccoli and cabbage can be transplanted. A lot of salad greens and radishes can be planted again this time of year. Important thing for fall gardening is to know when your first frost is going to hit in the fall, and that's kind of hard. We never know in Kansas, but on average it's the middle of October. So right now we have about 10 weeks until our estimated first frost. So when you're looking at what plants you're going to plant in your fall garden, you need to know the days to maturity. So this is a package of green beans. So on our package of green beans that I'm wanting to put in my fall garden, it says down here at the bottom it's 50 days to maturity. So 50 days for when we plant it to when we can harvest it. So we have plenty of time to plant this right now until it might be killed by frost. Plenty of time to harvest. Things like radish and lettuce are even quicker. So these radishes can be harvested in 20 days. So you can do them clear up, planting them into September, and you'll still have plenty of time to harvest them. And then when you plant your seeds, plant them just a little bit deeper than you normally would. That way they stay cooler and more moist in the soil. This time of year you also don't have to put on much fertilizer. Just a little bit of a low analysis fertilizer per every row is fine because you've already put on so much this season. All right, I'm going to put a little stake in where we planted our beans. So make sure you do keep them watered. They need about an inch a week and even more when they're starting to come up. You don't want those seeds to dry out because then they will not germinate. So once they come up and they're about 3 to 4 inches high, you can go ahead and put some mulch around them, and that way the weeds stay down. So you can also plant fall crops like cabbage, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. They do great in the cool weather. Sometimes they actually taste better once they've been hit by a little bit of frost. So what you need to do with these is start them from transplants. So you can plant them in some little cells with some potting soil. You can start them in your kitchen with a sunny window or on your patio where they're protected. And then once the transplants get about 4 inches high or so, go ahead and plant them in your garden. If you would like some help on knowing what to plant or how to fertilize your fall garden, go ahead and contact your local extension office. We are here and we're happy to help you.